easy, breezy, beautiful drawstring pony.
I can tell by the way you're looking at me, girl. I wanna make love in this club. In this club.
If you like what you see, then keep watching because I have all the details on this natural textured ponytail from BetterLength, as well as a $5 promo code. So yes, stay tuned. Hey boss babes and dons, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a BetterLength hair sponsored video. I'll be working with their 3B 3C kinky curly 12-inch drawstring ponytail. And you already know this video not only comes with a how-to tutorial, but also $5 off any natural extension by using my promo code Shawn1037 in the description box below. Make sure you use that promo code because who wouldn't want $5 off? I mean, come on now. Easy money, right? But yeah, keep watching. So first and foremost, I'm going to wash the pony. I'm using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey shampoo and conditioner. Oh my gosh, y'all, why are my elbows crusty like that? Oh, Gigi. We just gonna ignore that, okay? If you saw my elbows crusty, you're a hater, and that's just what it is, okay? But anyways, we're gonna get back to washing this pony. So I use my Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner, Pure Honey brand, of course, because that's my fave. Honestly, washing the pony, I can honestly say that I had minimum to no shedding. The most shedding I had was really just when I was finger combing the pony, and it honestly wasn't as much as I thought I would get, so that's a bonus right there. It was extremely soft after I put the conditioner on it, another bonus. And there's really not anything negative I could really say about the pony while I was watching it. Probably one of the best ponies I've watched, so yeah, plus. And I'm not just saying that because this is a sponsored video. I am very truthful when it comes to anything because I don't want to steer anybody wrong. So if I talk highly about a product, best believe I mean that. And yeah, but let's just get into the rest of this wash. If you guys know me, ponytails are literally my thing, especially with this TWA hair we're working with. Short hair with drawstring ponytails literally are the truth. And the fact that this mimics my hair texture. But yeah, so let's get started. We have, can y'all see? Yeah. One clip, and then the drawstring. So what I like to do is put the first clip, then I draw it a little bit, Then I put the second clip, and then when I say push it up, I push it up into that bun, my bun. And then I draw it all the way. Okay, this crap feels lightweighted. I don't mean crap, I just like to say crap. But okay, so it's lightweight as heck. Like most of my ponytails, no lie, it's like, it's a lot on my hair, but not too much, but just enough to the point where like I gotta take it off. But okay, so then you pull this, bring it around town. That's so funny. And then you bobby pin it. Usually I just tuck it in, but I'm a bobby pin because you can never have too much, you know, too much security. Okay, so already it's giving hair, but that's not all we're gonna do. We're gonna take a little piece from the back and wrap it around, and then bobby pin that. But yeah, it's that simple, it's that easy. I pray that this video reached the 8-minute mark because this was simple, easy, breezy, beautiful drawstring pony. But no, this is I feel like my hair grew back. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. All I gotta do is make sure, what's it called? When I learn how to do my baby hairs, because I've been practicing, y'all. This edge control is the truth. So I've been practicing, but once I learn and get these baby hairs right, girl, ponytail princess, okay? I'm gonna be the ponytail princess this whole freaking, what's it called? This whole summer, ponytail princess. But yeah, thank you for watching. Be sure to click the description, well, check out the description box below. Definitely have a promo code in there, $5 off. And yeah, And if you have not seen my other BetterLength videos, because not only do they have drawstrings, but they have clip-ins. They're known for their clip-ins because that's how I found out about them. But now they're going to be known for the drawstring because, oh, honey, I'm about to go outside. I have no business going outside, but like, why not? It's pretty outside, y'all. It's really pretty. But yeah, don't forget, check that description code, the description box for the code. I said description code. Y'all know, my mind be going like too fast for my mouth. It just be... But yeah, definitely check it out. Check it out because, like, look at it. And I got this inch because I was debating, y'all. I didn't want an extremely, like, long pony because, of course, you guys know I don't have hair. So I wanted to make sure that I got a size that wasn't extremely long, but I still wanted length. So, yeah, definitely check it out. Check it out. Check it out. And it smells good, y'all. It smells so good. I washed it with the cream of nature, which I wasn't supposed to. I was actually supposed to wash it with my Flawless by Gabrielle because it has this smell that I freaking love. But so I washed it with the cream of nature, and then I put on my Oil Bar leave-in conditioner, y'all. It smells like me because this is my scent from Oil Bar. I'm not gonna tell y'all my scent because that is exclusive, but go to the Oil Bar and make your scents. I'm on a roll here. I'm feeling myself. But okay, yeah. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back, y'all. It's my birthday month, so I'm dropping heat every day. But thank you guys. Come back because I'm definitely going to show you guys how I styled this pony in different ways. So be sure to check those out as well. But yeah, bye.